Today, we're working on Sylvia. We're gonna put the wireless charging in Sylvia. Yeah, you now rocking with Rips Whips. Company called Induktiv. I ran into them at Beamer Invasion, and they put me on. Look like they got some good products. Let's check them out. Alright, let's check out what's inside the box. Yeah, so it looks pretty quality. Let's get in here, break it down, put it together, see if it works. First off, we're going to disconnect the battery, then take apart the trim on the inside, see how it all connects up, get it all connected, then run it. Had to get some clarification. I reached out to the fellas at Induktiv. Very responsive. They responded right back to me. Some things I wasn't understanding how the harness works. So I got everything taken apart. We have to run a wire from where the phone's gonna sit to the lighter, which is back here. And so we getting it all together. So we got the wire ran up here. It's gonna go all the way up there. And then we're running it up under here to back here. Yeah, so yeah, it's coming together pretty easy. It's not really too bad. Yeah, let's get back to it. I need to make this cable longer. Yeah, just barely fit. They need to add about 2 inches on this thing. It'll make it perfect and easy. But I think we got it now until I start snapping the rest of this shit in here. We'll see if it works. Alright, got the key. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's see if it works. Let's see. Good company. I like it. It works well. Install was okay. They need to make the little power wire just maybe 1.5 inches longer, just for the little play and wiggle room, cause it needs it. You know, other than that, great company, feels good, works well. You know, I ran into some issues with the install. I wasn't for certain on how the power wire was. I reached out to them on Instagram. They hit me back, speedy. You know. Explained to me how I needed to hook that up. Once I saw how that went, bling, light bulb, made perfect sense. So good company. They get back to you fast. You know, Power wire needs to be slightly longer, you know. And other than that, man, yeah, good product. Let's go.